Welcome to Zindagi Ka Safar with Devapriya. Namaskar friends. A warm welcome back to our Arunachal Pradesh Tour 2025 series. Today's episode is Day 3, Part 2, and we continue our mesmerizing road journey from Guwahati to Dirang. Get ready to experience the shifting landscapes, soothing river views, winding mountains roads, and the magic that slowly unfolds as we enter the gateway to Arunachal. তো আমরা চলে এসেছি বিশ্বের সবথেকে বড় শিবলিঙ্গ দেখতে। তো দেখো, অপূর্ব অপূর্ব। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। बहुत 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 सुंदर है। সবাই এসেছে, আমিও এসেছি। সবাই পুজো দিতে এসেছে, দেখেছো? Rising from the plains of Assam in the quiet town of Nagon stands a marvel of faith and craftsmanship, the Mahamrityunjay temple, home to the world's tallest Shivlinga. The towering symbol of devotion stands at an 126 feet height that commands respect, inspires আমরা এখন শিবলিঙ্গের তলায় আছি, শিবলিঙ্গটা উপরে আছে। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। তো এই হচ্ছে বিশ্বের সব থেকে বড় শিবলিঙ্গ দর্শনে যাচ্ছি। চলো। Devotees chant or listen to the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, seeking relief from physical and emotional distress. The mantra is believed to safeguard devotees from untimely calamities and negative influences. Many find the temple's calm environment ideal for introspection and spiritual grounding. देखिए पूरा प्रदीपर मतन लगছে ना, प्रदीप के जैसे लग रहा है ऊपर।
300 का
ये 300 कॉटन का, ये वाला 200।
थैंक यू।
आइए देख लीजिए, सब कल्टी करके दे देगा।
और ये मेखला चादर कितना?
ये वाला 1000 रुपया। ये भी होगा, कॉटन का है, बना हुआ है। ये वाला हैंडमेड का है। ये वाला 1200 रुपये का। ये भी है और है। This is Zindagi Ka Safar with Devapriya, and the journey has just begun. Every great journey begins with a moment of excitement.
And today, as we start our road trip towards Dirang, that excitement fills the air. Our traveler car is packed not just with luggage but with new friendships, fresh energy, and the promise of unforgettable memories. The road ahead winds through the beauty of Assam and into the welcoming arms of Arunachal. The mountains slowly rise, the air gets cooler, and the landscape begins to change with every mile. And inside the traveler, it's all joy. New faces, new stories, new laughter echoing through the seats, strangers turning into companions and companions turning into family, 1 kilometer at a time. As the journey unfolds, the music gets sweeter, the roads get more beautiful, and our hearts feel a little lighter. This isn't just travel, it's the beginning of a beautiful adventure. So come along, buckle up, and join us as we roll towards Dirang, soaking in every moment, every laugh, and every breathtaking view. So sit back, relax, and join me as we drive deeper into the beauty of the Northeast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoy traveling with me, let's begin the journey. The mountains are rising, the curve at a time, the climb at a time, as if the Himalayas themselves are waking up to greet us. The air is getting cooler, the roads narrower, and the views grander. Every turn feels like a new story waiting to be told. And every kilometer, one thought grows stronger in our hearts. We are coming, Arunachal, the land of dawn till mountains, the land of purity, culture, and endless beauty. Hold your breath, because the journey is becoming magical. এসে গেছি এখানে লাঞ্চ করতে, তেজপুর, এই জায়গাটার নাম হচ্ছে তেজপুর। আর এই যে সবাই বসে আছে, ও হচ্ছে শিবানী আর ও হচ্ছে বৈভবী, আর বাকি সবাই আছে, পেছনে আছে, আর সামনে আছে। তো দেখো এখানে কি কি দিয়েছে, ভাত, রুটি, ডাল, পনির, পাপড় আর সালাদ। চলো খাবারটা খেয়ে নিই। अच्छी है बैग।
छोड़ दो, आ जाओ।
তো এই হোটেলটাতে আমরা খাবার খাচ্ছিলাম, দ্য লেগেসি ক্যাফে, বেশ ভালো দেখতে। দেখো, after a hearty lunch in Tejpur, Assam, we hit the road once again, ready for the next leg of our journey. We cruise out of Tejpur on National Highway 15, the road that connects Assam to Arunachal. The scenery begins to change slowly. The plains give way to gentle hills, lush greenery, and the promise of mountains ahead. Soon we leave the bustle of town behind, and the road takes us towards Bhalukpong, a scenic town on the banks of the Kameng River, known as the gateway to Arunachal. In just about 50 or 60 kilometers, roughly 1 to 1.5 hours of drive, depending on traffic and stops, we reach Bhalukpong. From Bhalukpong, the journey continues deeper into the hills. But this first stretch from Tejpur to Bhalukpong gently ushers us from the plains into the foothills of the eastern Himalayas. Sit back, enjoy the ride, and let the road carry us toward the rising sun, toward Arunachal. As we move ahead on this journey, the fading sunlight dances on the hills and the evening breeze whispers stories of the mountains. The sun is setting and the world outside has turned beautifully dramatic. The sky glows in shades of orange and pink, and every moment feels like a painting coming alive. এই অবধি হচ্ছে আসাম, এরপরে হচ্ছে অরুণাচল শুরু হলো। এটা হচ্ছে গেট, আসাম শেষ হলো, অরুণাচল শুরু হলো।
बाहर नहीं निकलना।
हम लोग का गाड़ी का एंट्री होता है ना, गाड़ी का एंट्री
And here it is, the moment we have been waiting for. The road curves, the hills rise higher, and the air feels different. We have officially entered Arunachal Pradesh. The landscapes are changing, the mountains grow taller, the rivers shine brighter, and every turn brings a new vista more breathtaking than the last. This is the land of the rising sun, a land of pristine beauty, culture, and adventure. And for us, the journey has just become even more magical. From this moment on, every kilometer tells a story, and every view leaves us in awe of Arunachal Pradesh. Welcome to Arunachal Pradesh, the land of the rising sun, tucked in the northeast corner of India, known for its majestic mountains, dense forests, and pristine rivers. This state is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Arunachal Pradesh is home to over 26 tribes, each with its own rich culture, colorful festivals, and traditional crafts. It is a place where every village tells a story and every landscape feels untouched and magical. From the foothills at Bhalukpong to the soaring peaks near Tawang and Dirang, Arunachal offers a journey through nature's grandeur and India's vibrant heritage. Here the mountains aren't just scenery, they are alive, whispering tales of legends, monasteries, and the timeless spirit of the Himalayas.
पास तो दिया हुआ है, ये हम लोग का ग्रुप है, कल पूरा डिटेल्स दे दिया, वही चीज उसके पास सब डिटेल्स दे दिया हम लोग।
009
इसमें
वो ओरिजिनल है वो उसमें 01 के ये सेम नंबर है सर
हाँ तो डेमी का रहता है
हाँ डामी होता सबका कुछ एक ही नंबर
में गया वो 2 नंबर में गया है हमने कहा ना 3 गाड़ी का एक ही नंबर है 4 गाड़ी का किसी को पता ही नहीं चलेगा किस में
नाम जानो क्या नाम क्या है इनका
किरण रेजिजू
हाँ हाँ
और आज का
Wow! As we were cruising along the road, we suddenly spotted a slick convoy. Yes, it's none other than Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Prema Khandu. This journey wasn't just scenic, it was full of adventure. As we drove deeper into the mountains, we even encountered a small landslide blocking part of the road. It was a moment of surprise, a moment of thrill, and yes, a narrow escape that got our hearts racing.
बड़ा पता क्या चीज का लगेगा एक बार हटा के आते हैं
नहीं एक सेकंड हम देख के आता आप लोग
पहले देख के
ध्यान से देखना भैया
सारी गाड़ी पीछे होगी पीछे वाली गाड़ी सारी पीछे होगी पीछे वाला हमने पीछे ले लिया और भी
ठीक है तो बच गया
अपनी
मतलब
भी देख लो बड़ी ज्यादा आवाज तो नहीं खड़ी
नहीं दूर है
इधर ही
वो कार एकदम इतने से फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड
और बड़ा पत्थर था वो बहुत
पहले
बड़ा
छोटा वाला गिरा उसी समय निकल गया बड़ा वाला
स्पीड थी वो भी
वो कितना 22 लाख आगे भी देखो कितना बड़ा गिरा
जैसे फिल्मों में दिखाया वही सीधा पूरा
जो गया वो अगर टक्कर लगता वो गाड़ी का इधर उधर निकल जाता
And that wraps up day 3, part 2 of our Arunachal Pradesh journey. The mountains, the roads, the laughter, and even our little adventure moments. It has been an unforgettable ride. I will be coming soon with the next part of the day, exploring more of this beautiful land. So keep watching, stay with me on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and support the channel. Until then, this is Zindagi Ka Safar with Devopriya, signing off from the road to Dirang. See you soon.